Amidst the blazing deserts of the Arizona Territory, where dust storms roar like angry beasts and the sun scorches the land, fate often writes stories no human could ever predict. Winona O'Malley learned this truth the hard way. On a day meant to mark the beginning of her dream life, she instead found herself stranded, betrayed, and battling the elements in a place where survival itself was a gamble. Her carefully planned wedding had collapsed suddenly and cruelly, leaving her alone in the vast wilderness, unsure of what the future held. But destiny, as unpredictable as the desert winds, had already set a new path in motion, one that would lead her straight into the life of Cowboy Sam McCreedy. The dust storm arrived without warning, swallowing the landscape in a suffocating shroud of brown and gold. Winona struggled to shield her face, but the wind was merciless. Just when the storm threatened to overwhelm her completely, a strong hand grabbed her arm. Through the blur of swirling dust appeared Sam, lean, rugged, and steady as the mountains. He pulled her to safety, guiding her toward the shelter of an abandoned line shack. In the dim refuge, with dust coating their clothes and silence broken only by the fading howl of the wind, Winona realized that her disastrous day had delivered her into the care of a man who radiated quiet strength. Sam McCreedy was not the type to abandon someone in need. A seasoned cowboy whose hands bore the marks of long days on the range, he had learned early that in the harsh Arizona wilds, people survived by helping each other. Yet something about Winona struck him differently. Maybe it was the determination in her eyes despite her heartbreak, or the way she tried to laugh off her misfortune even while fear simmered beneath the surface. Whatever it was, Sam felt a pull he couldn't deny. When the storm settled, Sam helped Winona back to his ranch, a modest spread of dusty fences, grazing cattle, and a home built with years of grit and stubborn pride. What Winona expected to be a brief stay gradually stretched into days as she recovered from the shock of her ruined wedding. She helped around the ranch, feeding chickens, sweeping porches, and learning the rhythms of cowboy life. Though her heart still ached from the betrayal she had faced, she found surprising comfort in Sam's world. There was something healing about rising with the sun, feeling the cool morning breeze before the desert heat arrived, and listening to Sam share stories of cattle drives and starlit nights. Sam, in turn, began to cherish Winona's presence. She brought warmth to the quiet ranch, laughter to his long days, and a sense of companionship he had secretly missed for years. Her kindness softened the edges of his worries he kept hidden from her at first. His ranch, the land he'd inherited from his father, was under threat. A bank foreclosure loomed due to years of drought and failed harvests. Sam worked tirelessly, but he knew he was fighting a losing battle. One evening, as the two sat outside watching the sunset paint the desert sky in shades of crimson and gold, Winona gently asked him what was troubling him. Sam tried to brush it off, but Winona's persistence chipped away at his silence. Finally, he confessed the truth about the foreclosure. Instead of pity, Winona offered resolve. She reminded him that no battle was fought alone, not anymore. Their bond deepened in those quiet, honest moments. They worked side by side, fixing fences, tending livestock, and preparing the ranch for evaluation. Winona turned out to be a resilient partner, surprising Sam with her resourcefulness and determination. The more time they spent together, the clearer it became that their meeting, born out of chaos, had been nothing short of destiny. Yet saving the ranch was not easy. They faced setbacks, tough days, and moments when hope seemed a distant dream. But together, they endured. Sam found strength in Winona's faith in him, while Winona found healing in Sam's unwavering loyalty. Their partnership grew into friendship, and friendship grew into something deeper, something neither had expected but both had longed for. By the time the bank officer arrived for the final inspection, the ranch looked alive again. Fences were repaired, cattle were healthy, and the land showed signs of revival. Though the fight was far from over, it was enough to grant Sam the extension he desperately needed. Relief washed over them, and in that moment, Sam realized he no longer wanted a future where Winona was just a visitor. A few days later, under the vast Arizona sky sprinkled with stars, Sam took Winona's hands in his and spoke the words he had carried in his heart since the day he pulled her from the storm. He didn't offer grand promises or poetic speeches, only the truth. He wanted her by his side, as a partner, as a friend, and as the woman who had changed his life in ways he never imagined. Winona, eyes filled with tears of gratitude and love, accepted without hesitation. For the first time since her shattered wedding, she felt the world open for her again, but this time, with the right man and the right dream. Together, they set out to build a new life, one formed not from perfect plans, but from shared struggle, unexpected companionship, and the kind of love that grows stronger through every storm. The Arizona desert, once the scene of Winona's heartbreak, had become the place where two wounded souls found not only each other but also a future worth fighting for.